Fundamental algebraic operations, addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Basically, when we add or subtract algebraic expressions, we can add or subtract like terms, meaning that variables with same exponents, coefficients can be different numbers. The simplified expression will contain only terms that are not similar, unlike terms. If you can simplify like terms, you have to simplify like terms. Nested brackets should be simplified by inner brackets first, then we move out one by one. Okay, let's see some examples. Simplify the given algebraic expressions. 5xy square minus x square y square plus 3xy square. So we have to look for like terms. 5xy square and 3xy square are like terms because they have same variables with same exponent, x, y square with y square. X square y square is not like term because of the x square. Now for the like terms, we'll add coefficients. So 5 plus 3 will add up to 8. So we'll get 8xy square, and then x square y square will remain same. So minus x square y square. Okay, so the final answer will be 8xy square minus x square y square. Okay. For this one then, multiply coefficients inside the bracket. 5 times a will give us 5a. 5 times negative 2b will give us negative 10b. Subtract, similarly 3 multiplied to a inside the bracket will be negative 3a, and negative 3 times negative b will be positive 3b. And then we check, are there all unlike terms? No, there are some like terms, meaning that we can simplify further. 5a minus 3a will be 2a, negative 10b plus 3b will be negative 7b. Okay. For this one, do not get confused with root ab. Root ab is just a variable, like treat it like a only. If it was a minus 7a, we will say minus 6a. Similarly, root ab will be treated as a variable. Before I can simplify those two, I need to get rid of brackets first. So we'll start with inner bracket. There are multiple brackets here. So we'll start with dropping inner bracket. So I'll keep first part as it is. I'll say negative bracket 3 plus root 7a, 3 plus root ab actually, 3 plus root ab will remain same, minus 7 root ab, so we'll take out the bracket and it will be root 7 root ab, minus 4 minus 5 root ab plus 1, and bracket complete. Now if you like, we can simplify within the bracket. 7 root ab minus 5 root ab will be 2 root ab. So we'll say this equals then minus 3 minus 3. The negative applies to root ab as well. So subtract root ab minus, now 7 root ab minus 5 root ab will be 2 root ab. So minus 2 root ab, negative 4 plus 1 will be negative 3, and the negative will give us positive 3. And now simplify this further. Negative 3 positive 3 cancels out, and negative 1 root ab minus 2 root ab will give us minus 3 root ab as the final answer. Okay. Now next one here, it has multiple of brackets. So we'll start with inside the bracket, inner bracket, and then we'll move out. So we will keep 7x as it is, minus 2 curly bracket negative square bracket. And now to get rid of round bracket, this negative right here, the one which is highlighted, will apply inside the bracket to give us negative x plus 3y minus z, the square bracket complete, minus 2y again plus x. Again this negative right here will apply to everything inside the second bracket, and this is what we get, and square curly bracket complete. Now going further, we get 7x as it is, minus 2 as it is. Now we'll take care of the square bracket. So curly bracket, the two negatives will make it positive x. This negative right here will apply to everything inside the square bracket. So we'll get minus 3y plus z minus 2y plus x, and bracket complete. Now x plus x will be 2x. So when we take out the bracket, we have 7x. Or let's do one more step. So 7x minus 2, curly bracket, we have 2x. Minus 3y minus 2y will give us minus 5y plus z, curly bracket complete. And now multiply 2 in, we get 7x minus 4x plus 10y plus, because negative 2 will multiply in, minus 2z, and simplifying this will give us 3x plus 10y minus 2z. Okay, and that will be our final answer. One more here then. Similarly, if we have more than one bracket, although all of them are round brackets, we'll start with inner bracket first. So we'll get rid of this round bracket first by taking 2 inside the bracket and multiply. It is very tempting to do 5 minus 2 become 3. But we have to follow order of operations, BADMAS. We cannot do this first. We have to multiply them first. So we get 2m square. So we get 2m square minus 3 bracket m subtract 7 subtract bracket 5 minus 2m square minus 2m square minus plus 6m minus m, and 2 brackets complete. So we got rid of this bracket right here. We got rid of this bracket. Okay. Further then we get 2m square. So this everything remains same, and we will simplify the next bracket. So we get minus 5 plus 2m square. We get plus 2m square minus, so 6m minus m will give us 5m, and applying this negative to that will give us negative 5m, and we close the bracket here. So we got rid of this bracket right here now. Further then, we can take away next bracket, or what we can do is simplify this within the bracket. So within the bracket now, m minus 5m will simplify to m minus 5m will simplify to negative 4m, minus 7 minus 5 will simplify to negative 12. So minus 7 minus 5 will give us negative 12, m minus 5m will give us negative 4m, 2m square will remain same. Now taking out the bracket, we get 2m square plus, so minus 3 times 12 will give us plus 36, minus 3 times 2 will give us minus 6m square, and minus 3 times minus 4 will give us positive 12m. So minus 3 minus 4m will give us positive 12m. And one more step we can do is 2m square minus 6m square will give us negative 4m square. 2m square minus 6m square will simplify to negative 4m square, plus 12m remains same, and plus 36. And that will be our final answer for this one.